This video is about a young mother from Kenya, Olivia Naserian. She murdered her only child. The worst part of the story is that she murdered her only child and cannibalized her. This incident happened on the 23rd of April 2023. According to the story, Olivia Naserian returned from her boyfriend's house, who happens to be the father of her only child, Gloria. May her soul rest in perfect peace. However, according to Olivia's auntie, she said that when Olivia returns from her boyfriend's house, where she stayed 8 months, she returned a different person. Because of the way she acts, talk, she assumed that maybe Olivia broke up with her boyfriend. But on the 23rd of April 2023, that was the day everything changed. According to the story, they said that Olivia Naserian was the only one at home with her child. At a point, Olivia Naserian began to yell, scream. Their neighbors noticed that, but they thought it was armed robbers. When they moved closer, they saw Olivia Naserian sharpening a knife. At this point, Olivia Naserian has already locked the door. Her neighbors did everything humanly possible to stop her, but before they could break the door, Olivia Naserian has already attacked her only child and killed her. She did not only kill her, she cannibalized her. Oh, this is painful. Later on, she was arrested by Kenyan police. At police station, they said that Olivia Naserian did not show any sign of remorse for killing her only child, Gloria. Although when she had the chance to speak, she said that she hated herself and she had suffered from low self-esteem. Tell me, what could make human being like mother killed her only child? Tell me what you think about that through the comment section.